Welcome. In today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to change the skin of your Slayer in Doom: The Dark Ages. So at first move to the extras, then as you can see the third option, which be Slayer skins, and here you will have all of the available for you skins that you unlocked. For me it's default and the void. I use void because it looks very nice. You can also inspect this skin in 3D model. To do it, click X, inspect, and you can use the keyboard and also the mouse to inspect your skin. By the way, the details in this game are awesome. I very like it. So that will be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!